What if I told you that the age of truly autonomous AI agents has finally arrived, that never sleeps, never takes breaks, and can handle everything from market research to content creation while you're sipping coffee on a beach somewhere? Today, we're diving deep into Flowith NEO, the first ever infinite AI agent that's about to revolutionize how we think about automation and productivity. Let's dive in. I've been testing this for weeks now, and honestly, it's unlike anything I've used before. Most AI tools give you text responses and call it a day. But NEO actually gets things done. We're talking about building complete websites, creating presentations, generating videos, and handling massive projects that would normally take you days or weeks. So, let's see how it works. Head to Flowith IO and create your account. I will put the link in the description. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface. The interface itself tells the whole story. The key thing you need to do is turn on agent mode. You'll find this toggle at the top of your workspace. This is what transforms Flowith from a regular AI chat into your infinite assistant. Now, before we start our first project, let me show you the essential settings. You have 3 important options here. First, decide whether to use the knowledge base. Turn this on if you want NEO to access your uploaded documents and training materials. Second, adjust the output length based on how detailed you want your results. Third, you can upload any files or images that NEO might need for your project. Here at the bottom of the prompt box, you will find some templates like research, creation, and interaction. You can enable them as per your need. Let's start with a practical example that most of you can use immediately. I'm going to show NEO how to create a complete content marketing campaign for a new product launch. Watch how I structure my prompt for maximum effectiveness. I'm typing, create a comprehensive content marketing campaign for launching an eco-friendly water bottle. Include social media posts, blog articles, email sequences, product descriptions, and a landing page. Research current sustainability trends and competitor analysis. Notice how I'm being specific about what I want, but I'm also giving NEO the freedom to plan the approach. Hit enter and watch what happens in the canvas view. This is the magic of Flowith. You can see NEO's entire thought process. Look at this planning phase. NEO is breaking down my request into logical steps: market research, competitor analysis, content creation, and campaign structure. It's not just jumping into writing, it's strategizing like a professional marketing team would. The plan is evolving in real time. This is why the canvas view is so powerful. You're not just getting outputs, you're participating in the creative process. Let me show you another crucial feature while NEO works on this. I'm going to set up a custom knowledge base. Click on your profile, then go to Knowledge Base Settings. I'm uploading my brand guidelines, previous successful campaigns, and target audience research. This trains NEO to understand my specific business context. Back to our campaign. NEO has completed the project. Let's have a look on it. It's not just giving me random social media posts. It's created a cohesive campaign with themed content pillars, consistent messaging, and strategic posting schedules. First, we have all the images of the product that will be used in our project. Next, we have 5 full-length SEO-friendly blog articles. After reviewing all of them, I can honestly say that all of them are well-structured, highly informative, with core selling points, SEO-friendly, and have a high readability score. Next, we have email marketing sequences, and you can see the result. This is really amazing. After that, we have a 90-day social media strategy overview. Here inside the content, you will find a detailed strategy for social media marketing, and I have to say that it's just amazing. I love it. Now you can see the landing page. Let's have a preview of the landing page. This is amazing. It's a fully functional and visually appealing landing page with all the information about our product. The design is clean and sleek, which is perfect for this kind of landing page, and you can see that it's fully responsive. Next, you will find the comprehensive campaign launch kit, and then the project completion report. This is like professional teamwork. Here's something most people don't realize. You can interrupt and redirect NEO at any point. Let's say I want to adjust the tone to be more playful. I'm clicking right here in the workflow and adding, make the social media content more humorous and meme-friendly for Gen Z audience. Watch NEO immediately pivot and regenerate the social media content with a completely different tone while maintaining the overall campaign structure. This flexibility is what makes Flowith so powerful for iterative creative work. Now let me show you the 24/7 cloud operation feature with a more complex project. I'm going to ask Neo to create a complete online course about digital marketing. This is a massive project that would normally take weeks. Here's my prompt. Develop a comprehensive 8-week online course on digital marketing for beginners. Include lesson plans, downloadable resources, and a course website. Research current industry best practices and create engaging multimedia content. After entering the prompt, set all other settings, and then hit the Start button. Now you can see that Neo has started working. Now if you click on the back button, we will redirect to the homepage. Don't worry, our project is running in the background. Here, on the left side, you will find all the project history. This is our digital marketing project. If I click on it, you will see that our project is running in the background and has completed several tasks. This is perfect for large projects that require extensive research and content creation. While that's running in the background, let me demonstrate the multi-format creation with a smaller project. I want Neo to create a product explainer for a new app. Watch how I structure this request for maximum output variety. Create a complete product explainer package for a meditation app called Mindful Moments. Include a landing page, explainer video, app store descriptions, press release, social media assets, and user onboarding materials. Make it professional but approachable. Look at Neo's planning process. It's organizing the project into content types, identifying design requirements, and structuring the workflow for maximum efficiency. This systematic approach ensures nothing gets missed. Here's a pro tip for getting better results. Be specific about your constraints and requirements up front. Instead of saying create a website, say create a mobile responsive website with a hero section, features overview, testimonials, and a contact form, optimized for conversion. And here it is, the project is ready. You can see the result. As per our request, Flowith Neo generates the logo of the app, a detailed content structure. Next, we have a complete explainer video storyboard, visual assets, voiceover, BGM, and finally, the complete video.
Feeling overwhelmed by the chaos? You deserve a moment to reset. One tap is all it takes to find your breath and bring clarity back to your day. Mindful Moments, practical calm for your busy life.
This is really amazing. So, now you can create this kind of explainer video also in one workflow. And here is the interactive landing page of the app. And look at the web page. This is really amazing. You can see the clean and interactive interface with related content. And here at the bottom, Neo added to download button for iOS and Android. This is really amazing. Next, we have the App Store description, press release, and all other assets as per our request. If you want to create all of these manually, you need a huge team and literally a month. Now let's check on our background course creation project. Click on the project status and look at this progress. Neo has completed the course outline, written lesson plans for the first 4 weeks, created quiz questions and other course materials, all while we were working on other projects. And here on this webpage, you can see the details of the course. This is the course outline. Next, we have the syllabus. After that, we have the Week 1 syllabus with a detailed context, Week 1 resources, and then Week 2 syllabus. This is a perfect web page for a learning platform. You will find an Enroll button at the top. So you can create literally anything with Flowith NEO AI Agent. If you're a business owner, content creator, researcher, or anyone who deals with complex projects, Flowith Agent Neo will transform how you work. It's not just another AI tool. It's like having an infinitely capable assistant that never gets tired, never makes excuses, and always delivers exceptional results. The best part? You can try it yourself right now. I'll drop my personal invitation link in the description below. Trust me, once you experience what it's like to have an infinite agent working for you 24/7, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Flowith Neo. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!